In this video, you'll learn how to check your Phantom Wallet transaction history. By following these steps, you will be able to view detailed information about your transactions on the Solana blockchain. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Ensure that you have the application installed and that you are logged into your wallet. If prompted, enter your password or use your biometric authentication to access your wallet. Once you are inside the wallet interface, locate and click on the option labeled Solana or Solan. This will take you to your Solana assets and transactions. Next, look for the three dots menu icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal additional options related to your Solana wallet. After clicking the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled View on Solscan. This action will redirect you to the Solscan website, which is a blockchain explorer specifically designed for the Solana network. Once Solscan opens, you will see your transaction history displayed on the page. This overview provides detailed insights into each transaction IDs and amounts. You can scroll through your history to review past transactions and any relevant details. Keep in mind that the speed at which the transaction history loads may vary based on your internet connection. If you have a slow connection, it may take a moment for the data to appear. Additionally, ensure that you have enough storage space on your device to avoid any interruptions while using the wallet or accessing external sites. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.